Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today I have with me Bluetooth speaker by the Blaupunkt. So I got this amazing deal on the Prime Day. I got this Bluetooth speaker just for 1500 rupees. So let's see how good this is. So this is basically 20 watts Bluetooth speaker and it comes with the mic, which is really good thing for the karaoke. So as you can see, the battery of this device is 1500 mAh, which is okay, I guess. So let's see how good this device is. So let's just unbox. So here's the mic. This feels like very cheap mic, but it is fine for the 1500 rupees, as you can see. So I'm just gonna put this aside and let's see what else is in the box. And here's the device itself. I'm gonna remove it. You will also get this, and you will also get mic connector. Sorry, there is USB cable in the box, so as you can see. And you will also get this strip to carry this device on the shoulder, so which is really good. And you will also get the aux cable to connect with your regular devices which doesn't have Bluetooth. So let's see how good this device is. So let me first unbox real quick. And as you can see, I really like the design. It feels like one of those vintage radios. So on the back you will get basic ports like mic input, aux input, also the micro USB, which sucks. So basically this product was released in this year and it is completely unacceptable to give the micro USB port if you're releasing a product in 2020. Also you will get the micro SD card slot and the USB slot, which is really good, I guess. So I really like the design. It feels very bulky, so even though it fell off from your hand, it's gonna be fine. So let me turn this on and let's see how good the sound quality is. So I turned this device on and now let me connect to my smartphone. As you can see, so here you go, here you see the device, and let me pair. So let me play some non-copyright music and let's see.
I'm too large, but myself in the room, just my six and myself, yeah. It's getting hard and nothing come to, is everyone left? Is everyone left?
So that's enough testing. I really like the sound quality. Is not too bassy, I guess. You will get a good mid and the high end as well, but the bass is not very thumpy as you will get on the other Bluetooth devices, but it's fine for the price. I wouldn't complain too much and I really like the sound quality. So yeah, let's attach the microphone and let's see how well that sound. So as you can see, let's check out the microphone, and here as you can see, the sound quality is, the mic quality is not that bad, to be honest, but you will get that echo effect on this mic. I don't know how to turn that off. So anyways, that's set for this Bluetooth device. If you want to check these, if you want to buy this device, please check out link in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.